This is the biggest myth of all. Every single passive income stream requires a massive amount of active work upfront. Want to start a YouTube channel? You'll spend months creating videos with 0 views and $0. Want to write a blog? You need to publish hundreds of articles before Google even notices you exist. Rental property. You need capital. You need to manage tenants, handle repairs, deal with vacancies. Passive income doesn't mean no work. It means delayed income. You work hard now, and the money comes later. Anyone telling you otherwise is either lying to you or trying to sell you something. You've seen the ads, "I made $100,000 selling a course from my laptop." Here's the reality. 90% of online courses sell fewer than 100 copies. Why? Because creating the course is only 20% of the work. The other 80% is marketing, building an audience, and earning trust. And that's all active, grinding work. If you don't already have an engaged audience, your course will sit there collecting dust. The people making money from courses already built their audience first. The course was just the product. The audience was the real asset. Dividend investing and index funds absolutely work. But let's talk numbers. If you invest $10,000 and get an 8% annual return, you make $800 in a year. That's $66 a month. To make $5,000 a month passively from the stock market, you need roughly $750,000 invested. Do you have that right now? Probably not, and that's okay. The point is, stock market passive income is real. It just requires serious capital first. Without capital, it's not a strategy. It's just a wish. A lot of people build one stream, get comfortable, and stop there. Then one day, the algorithm changes, the platform shuts down, the account gets banned, and everything is gone overnight. Warren Buffett says it best: never put all your eggs in one basket. Real wealth builders stack multiple income streams: a YouTube channel, a blog, affiliate marketing, digital products, and investments, all working together. It's not about doing everything at once. It's about building one stream, stabilizing it, then building the next. Okay, that's how real financial security is created. Okay, this is the most dangerous lie because it creates impatience, and impatient people fall for scams. The people you see online making $10,000 a month passively, most of them spent 3 to 5 years building that system before it paid off. You just didn't see those years. You only saw the result. The shortcut mentality is exactly what keeps people broke. They jump from one thing to the next every 3 months, never sticking around long enough to see results. It's consistency always beats shortcuts every single time, without exception. So, those are the 5 passive income lies most people believe. And look, I'm not saying passive income is impossible. I'm saying it's absolutely real, but it's a journey, not a shortcut. If you genuinely want to start building wealth, here's your first step. Identify one skill you have, build something around it, and stay consistent long enough to see results. Lay one brick at a time, and eventually you'll have a wall. It's slow, but it's the only way that actually works. If this video gave you value, hit that subscribe button, because on The Art of Wealth, this is exactly what we do. Real, honest, actionable financial knowledge. No hype, no get-rich-quick nonsense. Just the truth, okay? And drop a comment below. Which one of these 5 lies did you believe the most? I'd love to know. I'll see you in the next one. Stay consistent, stay smart, and keep building your wealth.